Hello everyone, so I'm here in Perdisa Street, Dumaguete City guys. So and also guys, natali at pang sa maya Cebu Pacific Building. Then Willa's Beauty Studio guys and CNL Sites In. Look guys. So napoy ato ang LBC. Hari ng padala. Look guys. Ang taga pedestrian lane guys. So traffic guys ha. Traffic diri sa may dalan Perdisa guys. Under repairing under construction ang kampanaryo diri sa may Cathedral Church, Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental guys. No?
Human, dali ra ba?
So nata diri sa may Cathedral St. Catherine of Alexandria, Diocese of Dumaguete City o Catholic Church in Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental guys. Look. Rap, nga po Rap.
Hello.
Hello. Shout out Rap. Rap guys nga taga poblasyon uno tinago Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental.